Hey, what's up YouTube family? It's your boy Keep It Real Andrae, and guys, I just want to say happy Friday to you guys. Guys, I really need you to check this video out. So today it was such a beautiful day, guys. I spent the day with my daughters Britannia and Miracle, and our son woof woof Dre, famous Dre. That's my dog, that's my son. So we never get to get footage of the initial of the video, but let me just tell you what I did. We went to DMV, that's motor vehicle, right? And I surrendered my license plate, and then after that we went and we had something to eat. So guys, stay tuned and check out the video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Keep It Real Andrae. Thank you for the love and support. What's up people? That is what Keep It Real Andrae. I'm here. Famous Trey, my daughters. We have a White Castle there?
White Castle.
White Castle. We're just there having a good time. Then after that we're gonna go hit and play some basketball. So stay tuned.
Yep.
Miracle. Come. Hi, my name is Andrae. What are you doing today? We're outside here in Fordham. Me and my daughter them. And Jay, famous Jay. Yeah, taking a walk. That's how we do it. It's a beautiful day today, you know. Guys, how was the food? Good. Was it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Miracle, what's up, man?
Hi.
So what's up to the flag?
What's
Britannia,
up,
what's
y'all?
up, man?
Hi.
Britannia, what's up, Britannia?
Hi.
What's up, Britannia? What's up, Britannia? Yo, Britannia, come on, Britannia. Bro, the food was so good, people. Check this out. The food was so good.
Meals.
The food was so good, people. She eat and she make a mess all over herself. Like a big baby. Right? Come on, hold it up. Let's go.
Yo, I'm changing my password. I'm changing my password because Miracle is no.
Check, walk on this food.
Watch how changeable.
Walk.
Hey, YouTube fam. Keeping it real with Andrae.
Yeah, we're outside.
I see you. Yeah, get up, like, yo, for real. Like you wanna see about that. Stop. That's amazing.
So guys, we're outside with the Fordham. So you see it? We're outside me and Trey. So let's go on, take a walk. Make sure you show them around, That's what I'm saying. Niggas be saying I'm falling, you're falling. guys, make sure tune in. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Daddy, the bus is coming.
Be careful, be careful, be careful.
Oh my God.
We're not going about taking a cab.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Are you keeping it real well, Andrae? I subscribe to your channel.
Boy.
Boy. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Just like his dad.
How old is he?
We have him like 2.5 years.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he's check it out.
Yeah. Taxi.
Oh my goodness.
We're about to find a cab and then we're going to head back home. Then we're going to go to the park. We're going to play some basketball. So you're going to watch us play some basketball. Let's go. Heading home now. Yeah, we got Dre right here, guys. He's laying down, he's chilling. Yeah, we got like about 3 more minutes and then we come out the cab and then we'll go play some basketball. Catch us on the basketball court. I'm gonna beat them too. Think
No,
I'm
you're
gonna-
not.
No, you're not.
What?
No, you're not.
What? Jay, you think I'm gonna beat them, Jay? Yeah, I'm gonna beat y'all.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm gonna beat them, guys.
No.
So watch this.
I'm gonna beat him.
Me too.
Let's see about that.
Let's see about that.
All right, come on.
They're outside. Hey,
Yeah.
yeah, people, you don't know it's a boy Andrae outside, you see?
But oh nah. If Miracle make this shot, that's crazy.
Watch it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. What's that?
No, you know, we got to take your back. You're like you're not even trying.
Miracle try.
Catch it with that.
Okay.
Catch it with that.
Okay.
Make sure you hit the like,
I'm trying to
share,
play
and
too.
subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Miracle, hold this.
Frank,
Give it to her.
it's I was not really paying attention to what she was doing. I didn't hear you. I was out of breath anyway.
Good shot.
Wait, that count. That count. That count.
Yo, go jump and catch it. Good shot. One more.
We gotta wait.
Good shot. Yo, guys, Britannia, she's on fire, guys. She's on fire. Oh.
It's alright. She ain't gonna make it. Hey, Miracle, you're at the wrong spot. You're supposed to be on the side.
I made it.
Oh,
I
yeah.
made it.
It's alright. That one. It's alright.
See me and see up to the time, you know it's Vybzkartel, and you're in tune to Keep It Real with Andrae. Watch, like, subscribe, and share. I'm out.